cutting, removing insulation, stripping. You can do all this in one go with Wurth VDE electrical installation pliers. The induction-hardened cutting edges trim electric leads reliably and precisely. The pliers also strip cables immaculately and cleanly. The pliers have 2 additional holes for removing wire insulation. Wires can be stripped quickly in this way. With the non-slip 2-component grips, the pliers sit comfortably in your hand. A high collar ensures working safety. No lengthy searches, no annoying change of tool. With the VDE electrical installation pliers, you can work quickly, ergonomically, and comfortably.